estate owners! I'm your property specialist, Miss Jess. And for today's touring, we are here at Manhattan Heights, located here at Manhattan, Cubao, Quezon City. And napakaganda ng location nito guys dahil 3 minutes walk lang siya from the MRT station Cubao and just right across Ali Mall, SM Cubao, and bus station going to South and North. And also just nearby Araneta Coliseum. Maganda yung location nito guys dahil hindi siya binabaha. So approximate 40 to 50 meters above sea level yung Manhattan Cubao. So I assure you na hindi bumabaha dito. So napakaganda ng location and accessible siya sa lahat. So start na tayo guys. So, we are here at a 2-bedroom unit here at Manhattan Heights. So this one is a corner unit. And it has a total area of 70 square meters. So this is our main door. And upon entering to your unit, at the back of the main door, nandito yung ating telephone. This is connected to the main lobby. So pag meron kayong concern, this part, pwede rin kayong maglagay ng shoe rack. So may space pa dyan. Yan. So medyo malaki pa siyang space para sa inyong mga shoes. And on this side is the kitchen. Here, on this side is where you can put your refrigerator. And we have here your cabinets. Yan. So, ito yung cabinets natin. And on this side, this is your sink. And of course, your countertop. And ito yung wrist strap natin on this side. And ang dami pang cabinet dito guys. So, pwede pa kayong maglagay like, kung gusto nyo ilagay dito yung mga spoon or other na gamit nyo dito sa kusina. And on this side naman, this is where you can put your oven or stove on this side. Yan. So, may nakaabang na siya na exhaust dito. Hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng this one is for your dining. So, ang bibili nyo lang is yung chairs para sa inyong dining table. So, for this one, approximate, it can fit 4 to 5 seaters. And on this side is the maid's room or utility area. Yan. So, ito siya, guys. And dito na rin nakalagay yung ating main switch, guys. And at the back of this door, ito naman yung provision natin para sa inyong washing machine. Yan. So, ang kagandahan lang dito is meron na talaga siyang mga naka-ready na provision para sa inyong washing machine. So, ito naman is extra toilet for your maids or kung meron kayong mga bisita. And ito naman tayo sa living area. So, ito yung living area, guys. So, napakalawak niya, guys, for your living area. So, this side is pwede nyong ilagay yung inyong television. And ang taas din ng ceiling height niya, guys. Approximate is 3.75 meters. So, high ceiling siya, guys. And on this side naman is pwede nyong ilagay yung inyong sofa. On this side. And on this side, yung office table. So, meron ding socket dito. So, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng office, ng computer. And imagine habang nag-work kayo, ang ganda ng unit dito, guys. This one then is facing east. Kung gusto nyo ng morning sun, this unit is perfect for you. Meron na rin tayong provision para sa inyong aircon. So, dito siya. And ang nagustuhan ko rin dito, guys, is itong inyong balcony. Yung balcony nyo is malaki na siya. So, kasya rin dito yung kung maglalagay kayo ng table, guys. Or kung gusto nyo rin maglagay ng plants, okay din siya. So, sobrang napakaganda ng view nyo, guys. So, may view kayo ng Antipolo. So, kung makikita nyo, greenish yung view natin, hindi lang siya puro building or puro houses. So, sobrang nakaka-relax dito, guys. Floor to ceiling glass siya, ha. Kahit na maaraw, kahit na morning, hindi nyo na kailangang magbukas ng ilaw para lang sa liwanag. So, natural light na siya. This hallway is leading you to your bedroom. In yung first bedroom, it can fit a queen-size bed. And, ayan, may bintana rin tayo dito. So, nagustuhan ko rin dito sa Manhattan Heights is napakalaki ng window nila. So, pasok talaga yung natural light. And ito naman is, you can slightly open this window for your safety. one is your toilet and bath. So, sobrang laki ng toilet and bath nyo. So, pwede pa kayong maglagay dito ng glass partition. Ayan, dito sa side. And then yung ating sanitary fitting sa inyong toilet and bath, and floor to ceiling na rin yung ating tiles. We are here at your master's bedroom. So, itong master's bedroom, it can fit a king-size bed. I think pwede pa nga kayong maglagay dito ng ng office table or extra table here. Yan. So, kung maglalagay rin kayo ng TV, pwede pa kasi spacious ng inyong master's bedroom. And aside from that, may sarili na rin kayong toilet and bath sa inyong master's bedroom. Like me, so usually kasi sa gabi, nagigising ako para lang mag-CR. So, for me, perfect sa akin yung mga room na merong CR na sa loob. Katulad nung first bedroom natin, ang laki rin ng window natin. So, kung makikita nyo. So, napakaliwanag. So, unlike kasi ng ibang condo unit, sobrang tinipid nila sa window. So, ito, ang laki ng window nyo, guys. Yan. And may provision na rin tayo para sa inyong aircon. Walang tiles dito sa bedroom is made of ceramic wood planks. So, hindi siya ganun ka-slippery. It's the end of our tour, guys. And by the way, guys, we offer rent-to-own terms here at Manhattan Heights. And for us to ask 300,000 down payment to move in. So, for 70 square meters, 2-bedroom unit, sobrang napakaganda ng payment terms na ino-offer namin. Grab this opportunity for this month, promo, October 2025. And if you want to know more about our projects and for your inquiries, please don't hesitate to message me on my Viber WhatsApp number. So, flash namin yan dito sa ilalim ng video, yung aking contact number. And again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Takla. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!